Hello students, I hope you all are well at home and studying properly. So today we are here to start with the second lesson of history. So take out your books and open up it to the second lesson of history, that is early humans. Fine. So now, as we all know that we human beings are living on this earth from the times immemorial, that means from many times back. बहुत टाइम से हम लोग इस अर्थ पे रह रहे हैं, ठीक है. सो मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स बैक एंड द साइंटिस्ट found fossils and skeletons in Africa which resemble the human beings, and these early humans came to be known as hominids. Fine. We as human beings have developed after millions of years from the ape, that means we earlier used to look like an ape, or you could say monkeys, and then slowly with the time we have developed as the human beings, and then slowly what happened, we started developing the things for the fulfillment of our needs. We started making new things, we started adopting to our the environment, to the environment in which we are living. That means हम जिस environment में रह रहे थे, हम उसमें adapt करना start कर दिए, यानी हम उसमें रहने के लिए अपनी कंफर्टेबिलिटी के हिसाब से चीज़ों को बनाने लगे. वी स्टार्टेड मेकिंग थिंग्स फ्रॉम दी सराउंडिंग्स एंड स्टार्टेड टू लिव in this particular environment which we got. Fine. So slowly and slowly with the need, we started to gather food by hunting or by taking food from the surrounding, and then we started making some tools so that we could hunt the animals, so to have it as a food. And these tools were earlier made from the stones. That is why the early period, the period of early humans, came to be known as the Stone Age. Fine. Now this Stone Age is divided into three parts: Paleolithic, Mesolithic and Neolithic. These have been divided on the basis of how we were using the stones and what types of stones we were using in the early periods, and why we were using the stones: to make the tools so that we could hunt the animals, or we could do our safety from those animals. Fine. So we are going to first study the Paleolithic age. So the first period in the Stone Age is the Paleolithic period, and this is considered from the 5 lakh to 10,000 BCE, and this is the Old Stone Age. That means this is the oldest period of the Stone Age. The word Paleolithic has been derived from the Greek word paleo and lithic. Paleo means old and lithic means stone. So that is why this Paleolithic period is also known as Old Stone Age. In this period, what were the features of this period? Now we are studying that. This period, the people were the food gatherers. Food gatherers means they used to hunt the animals, kill them and eat them as food, or they used to eat fruits or the seeds or the roots of the fruits of the trees, and they used to live like that. They were the nomads. That means when they have finished eating the food or they have hunted the animals from one particular place, they used to move from there to another place and then again start the same thing. That means they were just the food gatherers. They hunt the animals, they kill the animals and take them as food, or they take the food from the surrounding itself. Next feature of Paleolithic period is clothing. They have not discovered the clothes, so what they used to wear, the furs of the animals or the leaves of the trees to cover themselves. Fine. Next feature of the Paleolithic period is the dwelling places. Where do they live? The early humans in the Paleolithic period, they used to live in the caves or on the trees. Now, the caves used to protect them from the heat and from the rain. That is why they used to use those places to dwell in or to live in. And then, as I said, they were the nomads. Nomad means the people who roam from one place to another in search of food or in search of living places. They are known as nomads. Fine. So, they were nomads, so as they end up with the food or they end up with the things to have their food, they used to move from one place to the another. Fine. Now the next feature in the same sequence in Paleolithic period is tools. The people of this period used to make many tools like knives, axes, or some digging tools so that they could easily hunt the animals, they could easily dig up the roots of the trees, and they could have them as the food. Fine. So how were the tools made? The tools were not made from all these stones. The stones which could easily be cut or which could easily be shaped were used to make the tools. Fine. So these tools were used in different things by the people of the early period or the people of the Paleolithic period. And how these tools were being made, how the people were making these tools, this we are going to study in the next video. So till then, revise this part of the lesson so that you can understand the next part and prepare well for your test. Fine. Stay at home, stay safe and keep studying. Thank you.